Hey everyone, I'm Cheryl Torrenueva and welcome to my channel, Simply Share Share. I may look familiar, and that's because I've spent most of my career as a TV host and designer, and I've designed everything from restaurants to beautiful home makeovers, always making sure that each space truly feels like home. And now you can step into my world, see my life, my home, my passions, all the things that you don't get to see on TV. Did I mention I love to have fun? My mantra these days is making sure that I am always sharing. I'm like a designer Care Bear. And basically sharing means that we're going to create, heal, explore, and restore. This channel is more than just learning how to do a cool DIY. It's about feeling inspired, feeling really good inside, and knowing that you've got a place where you can share your passions and thoughts and feelings as well. And you get to be part of my family. I'll be sharing everything from easy and affordable DIYs to fresh and inspiring makeovers and my dream project, becoming a mom. Come back every week, try something new, and I hope to help you get things done simply.